I'm going to finish now with a romantic ballad. This is dedicated to my deep interest in the act of physical lovemaking. It's very short. It's the ballad of Barry and Frida.
Frida and Barry sat one night. The sky was clear, the stars were bright. The wind was soft, the moon was up. Frida drained her cocoa cup. She licked her lips, she felt sublime. She switched off Gardener's Question Time. Barry cringed in fear and dread as Frida grabbed his tie and said, let's do it while the mood is right. I'm feeling appealing, I've really got an appetite. I'm on fire with desire, I can handle half the tenors in a male voice choir. Let's do it tonight. But he said, I can't do it, I don't believe in too much sex. This fashion for passion turns us into nervous wrecks. No derision, my decision, I'd rather watch the spinners on the television. I can't do it tonight. So she said, let's do it do it till our hearts go boom. Go native, creative, living in the living room. This folly is jolly, bend me over backwards on me hostess trolley. Let's do it tonight. But he said, I can't do it, me ever breathing days have gone. I'm older, feel colder, it's other things that turn me on. I'm imploring, I'm boring, let me read this catalogue on vinyl flooring. I can't do it tonight. So she said, let's do it, have a crazy night of love. I'll strip bare, I'll just wear stilettos and an oven glove. Don't shout, girl, up a lava, dangle from the wardrobe in your balaclava. Let's do it tonight. But he said, I can't do it, I know I don't get it wrong. Don't angle for me to dangle, my arms have never been that strong. Stop pouting, stop shouting, you know, pull the muscle when I did that ground. Let's do it, share a night of wild romance. Frenetic, poetic, this could be a last big chance. To quote Milton, to read Stilton, to Ronan Gay abandon on the tufted Wilton. Let's do it tonight. I can't do it, I've got other little jobs on hand. Don't grouse around the house, I've got a busy evening planned. Stop nagging, I'm flagging, you know as well as I do that the pipes won't lagging. I can't do it tonight. Let's do it while I'm really in the mood. 3 cheers, it's years since I caught you even semi-nude. Gymnastic, wear your baggy white fronts with a loose elastic. Let's do it tonight. I can't do it, I must refuse to get undressed. I feel silly, it's too chilly to go without me thermal vest. Don't choose me, don't use me, mother sent a note to say you must excuse me. I can't do it tonight. Let's do it, I really absolutely must. I won't exempt you, want to tempt you, want to drive you mad with lust. No cautions, just contortions, beer and avocado on me lower portion. I can't do it, not my cup of tea. I'm harassed, embarrassed, I wish you hadn't picked on me. No dramas, giving me pyjamas, the only girl I'm mad about is Judith Chalmers. Let's wiggle, let's jiggle, let's really make the rafters rock. Be mighty, be flighty, come and melt the buttons on me flame-proof nightie. Let's do it tonight. Let's do it, I really want to rant and rave. Let's go, cause I know just how I want you to behave. No bleakly, no meekly, beat me on the bottom with a woman's weekly.
him!